Hi, I'm Deli France, and this is Krita. And let's say you are selecting. For example, you want to select this wonderful creature. You're selecting, but it's not selected. Trying another selection tool. No. This is because it is selected, but display selection is not chosen. So we went to select, choose display selection, and now everything is okay. Okay, the next issue is that, for example, you want to select this ghost and that ghost, but only one is selected. So you have to hold Shift and to add more selections to one you already did. Okay? For example, I want to select this house. So I choose this type of selection, selected it, copying it, want to do paste here, for example, and nothing happened. This is because you're working with layers, and when you did your selection, you was on that layer with the ghost only, and the house was in another layer. So you have to go to the layer with the house and then copy, and then you can paste it. That's it. So just be sure you are on necessary layer for selection. Thank you. Bye.